Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to run a fully local AI chat box on your Linux machine using Ollama and OpenWebUI. By the end of this video, you will have your own ChatGPT-like interface running in your browser just like mine. So let's get started. Welcome back, the Indian Pango here. So we'll see how to install Ollama and how to download a model like Llama 3 or any other LLMs which are available in the market, and also install the Open WebUI using the Docker, and we'll connect everything together. So let's begin. To install Ollama, I need you to go to its website ollama.com, and here you can see the curl command. You can simply copy it, open your terminal, and you can simply paste it. So let's do this. Type in your password and it will install the Ollama on your machine. Let's wait a few minutes. So our Ollama is installed now, and we can check the version for it. So it is 0.16.3. Now we can use the Ollama command to check what all commands are available. So this has number of available commands which we can use for our different use case. So if I just type in Ollama list, which will list, okay, it is not running at the moment, so we need to run it first. So let's run it. We can just do this via Ollama serve as well, or we can do it via systemctl command so that it will get started when the service gets started. So we can type in sudo systemctl enable Ollama, which will create a symlink with the Ollama service. And now we can check its status. It should be not running at the moment. It is enabled, but it is inactive at the moment. We can just start it and boom, it is started. Let's see the status again. So it is active and running. Now we can do this again, Ollama list, and it will list all the LLMs that are available that you have downloaded. So in my case, I only have downloaded one. You can check out all the other available in the market and download each of these and try those. So now we can check other commands as well. Let's type in help as well. You can also download multiple different models using Ollama and pull and the name of it. So I can just type in GPT OSS as well, which will download it. It is a very big language model, so I'll just not download it right now, but you can try it yourself. So we have a Llama instance running at the moment, and if we check it right now, so this is I've been watching the NVIDIA SMI for 0.5 second interval. So let's do it again. So as you can see, I have multiple GPUs as well, but right now Ollama is simply running as a server, but it is not loaded any instance. So the memory uses of my GPUs are not that much, but we can see the uses by launching any instance. So let's do that. So in my case, let's run. I had Ollama list, I had Llama 3.2. So now you can run it by using this command, Ollama run Llama 3.2, which I downloaded earlier. So it is running, and now if we see the uses, we can see that we have around 2.5 GB of memory uses on my secondary GPU, and there is a Ollama process running under GPU 1, which is taking around 2760 memory for it. So we can ask it anything. Is there any other LLM better than Llama 3.2? So it will just run the process. The GPU uses will increase a little bit as per the query. So it did generate an output very quickly based on your GPU. If you have a better GPU, it will be very, very helpful. You can just get rid of ChatGPT or any other subscription, at least for some basic tasks that you want to do. So let's just exit this. We can just type in buy, and then it will just exit. Now we will be setting up Open WebUI. So first of all, you need to have Docker on your system. So I'll just type in this. You can just check it via this, and if it is there, you can set up the Open WebUI further. And if you don't have it, you can check my previous Ollama video where I tell you how to install the Docker and other Ollama things. So now we have the Docker present, and we can see that if we have any image is currently running. So I have already set up the Open Web UI. So let me just remove this. Never mind. Copy this, paste this. Okay, it is actually running. So let me just type stop Open Web UI. It will stop it. Then we can remove it. And here we go. So now we have only one image, which is Winbot. So we don't have any Open Web UI at the moment. Now we will download it. So to set up Open Web UI, I wanted to type this particular command. I'll explain you it in a bit, but it will just set it up your Open Web UI Docker container image, and it will map your ports and variables and volumes and other policies on your system. It will run this Docker process in a detached mode, and here we are specifying the network equals to host, so it will use the host networking, and we are specifying that there is a particular volume that you want to persist your data on, and this is the particular directory inside the Docker where we will be persisting any other information that we will be using for the Ollama. And also we are specifying a particular variable inside the container for it to use. So it is using the base URL for the Ollama, which is the local host and which is running on 11434 port, and we can specify the name of this Docker container using this command, and we are specifying a particular restart policy that it will always be restarted when the system restarts or the Docker itself restarts. And then the GitHub container registry image for you to download from. So let's just type this and press enter. So it will create it. Now when you type in the docker ps command, it will say that it is starting. It will take about a minute and maybe two based on your configuration, but you can wait about 1 to 2 minutes and then we'll get back. So now as you can see, it is up and healthy, the Open Web UI. Now you can open your browser and just type in this localhost 8080. So I've already set up this Open Web UI, so it is actually using the same volume, so it will not ask me about the sign up. But in case you are going to set it up first time, you will be seeing a different first page on this Open Web UI where you will be asked to sign up on the Open Web UI, and those credentials will be used further to sign in. And then simply you sign in. So here we go. We have Ollama running with Open Web UI on your local instance, and here you can see all of the images that are available. So we have the Llama 3.2 latest image available with us, and we can ask it anything, just like the ChatGPT or any other LLM out there. You can also download any other LLMs, and those all will be visible here, and based on your priority you can just choose them for your query and you can ask it anything. It will just work right away. Isn't it cool? This is a very short guide and it will help you a lot. That would be all for this video. If you want to see any other thing related to Ollama or any other LLM that you want me to talk about or create a video on, please type in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot as a new channel. We'll meet in the next one. Until then, goodbye and donk.